Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on eye comfort in oppo phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up, then here you will see many app icon. Click on the setting icon, then here you will see many app icon. You have to scroll down and click on the display and brightness option. Then here you will see many option. Here you will see eye comfort is already off. If you want to on this, so click on that. So it means that now your screen color is changed, and that will help you to use your mobile phone for so many hours, and that is very comfortable to your eyes now to use your mobile phone to on this mode. So I hope this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video, and if you have any query regarding any function of mobile phone or pc, so please comment us.